Hey all of you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Wamp Server on Windows 10. If you are new here, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Alright, open your favorite web browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome and type here Wamp. Hit enter button. Now you can see here the first link of wampserver.com. Just click on it. Wamp Server is a Windows web development environment to create web application with Apache 2, PHP and MySQL database. So how you can download? Just click on download and you can see here two options: Wamp Server 64-bit and Wamp Server 32-bit. In my case, I am using Windows 64-bit. If you are using 32-bit, then download this option, and I am going to download Wamp Server 64-bit. And you can see here the page, and it's some warning. So now you also have to install Visual C++. Just click on download and check this box. Next, Visual C++ is downloading, and you can see here and I'm going to click on it. In my case, Microsoft Visual C++ is installed, that's why I'm going to close it. If you don't have Visual C++, then you have to install Visual C++. Okay, I'm going to Wamp Server page and click on this link. It will be redirecting sourceforge.net. And Wamp Server is downloading. You can see here it may take some time to download. Alright, Wamp downloaded. Now I am going to my download folder. Here is the file of Wamp Server. Now I am going to install it. Just double click on it. Click OK. Check agree box. Click next. Next, make sure that file location. In my case, this is my default file location, and that's why I keep this. And click next. Next, and install. click finish. Now you can see here the green icon of Wamp server. Just click on it and you can see localhost PHP myadmin, Apache PHP and all of feature. Now I'm going to check PHP myadmin is working or not. Open your web browser and just type here localhost /php myadmin / hit enter button. Alright, Wamp server is perfectly working. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you next video.